Hey there, welcome to Melnie's Kitchen. This dish you have adults and children drooling over. We are making the chicken mayo sandwich. So let's get started. Let's take a pan, heat some oil to make our chicken mince mix. I have taken 3 tablespoons of oil, which needs to be heated well before we add our garlic powder. Alternatively, you could use crushed garlic as well. Let's mix the garlic well with the oil, and after about half a minute or so, let's add our chicken mince. Mixing this well with the garlic. You could also use boneless pieces of chicken in this and then eventually shred it. But I prefer chicken mince. Well, add a little bit of salt. Giving this a mix again. I love the pepper in this, so adding in an extra dash of pepper, giving it that little spicy taste. Bring this all together again, and we would need to allow the chicken to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So we'll just cover this and allow it to cook. Well, now it's about 15 minutes and our mince is perfectly cooked. We'll allow this to rest and cool. In the meanwhile, we'll take some slices of bread and toast it on the pan. It needs to just brown a little bit on either sides. Here we are almost done browning our bread slices and they are ready. Now let's start making the mix. Here I've taken about 1 bowl of mayo, to which I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of fresh cream, to which I will add a little bit of pepper and some chili flakes. You could avoid chili flakes if you do not want to add it. Mix this well, blending everything together. Great. This is now the consistency that we need. Now it is time to add in our mince. Giving this a mix again and incorporate the mixture and the mince very well together. Wow, this has come out really well. Now let's take our bread slices and cut off the edges. Now we would generously apply butter on our toasted slices. Well, this is done. Now we would need to add the mixture onto the slices. Be generous with this as well. Great. Let's place the other slice over this and have it cut. You could cut it in any shape. Here I'm cutting it into a triangle, or you could cut it into a rectangle. Anyway, it would taste super delicious. Here you have your chicken mayo sandwiches ready to gorge. Enjoy! Do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Ciao!